Welcome to the Stage Analysis Weekend Watch List. This is the US Stocks Watch List. Starting tonight with ARMK. As you can see, potential for a Stage 2 continuation breakout attempt here. Down to the daily. Yeah, there's potential there. Strong relative performance versus the S&P 500. Next, we've got AXTA. This is an early Stage 2 stock. We had a Stage 2A breakout in the middle of the year. It's been basing sideways above a rising 30-week moving average since. So there's potential for an initial Stage 2 continuation attempt. Relative performance is currently slightly underperforming, but sort of trading around in line. So should on a breakout attempt would likely pop above. Next, we have BAH, which is making a Stage 2 continuation attempt last week. Down to the daily chart, as you can see, cleared the recent highs from November. It's only a minor volume pop low, and it's below the recent highs, so we could see some further consolidation before continuing any higher. BRKR, another potential for a Stage 2 continuation attempt, trading near the highs. We've got a gap and it's been consolidating in a small 3T volatility contraction pattern here, so potential for a continuation attempt. Another one trading near the top is CAMT, near the 52-week highs. Daily pull back a bit at the end of the week after attempting to break out early. No volume pop on the breakout low, so pulled back. Relative performance is above its zero line, so again potential for a Stage 2 continuation attempt. CGNX, this one we've got, it's potentially an early Stage 2 here, although it's still below recent resistance, so potential for a major Stage 2 breakout, although you could argue it's already in Stage 2, above a rising 30-week MA and above a number of recent highs, so it's just below resistance from 2018 and earlier in 2019. So set alerts above, breakouts above the 58 level here. CTXS, another Stage 2 top stock looking to make an early Stage 2 continuation breakout after rebounding off of the 10-week rising 10-week MA here. See, made an early attempt. We've got a small cut pattern here, so we could potentially consolidate sideways for a while before another attempt. Another cup and handle type pattern here in EXPO, trading near the 52-week highs. Little cup and handle here. Potential for a Stage 2 continuation attempt. FLIR, Stage 1 stock here. And earlier attempt in the year, pulled back and continued basing, so we've got a big base, 1 year base here, sideways in Stage 1, so move above these recent highs here, so probably 55, 56 range here. Relative performance is weak low currently, so that would need to improve significantly, and as always any kind of Stage 2A breakout attempt would need 2 times the weekly volume, so we're looking for a volume pop up to this sort of range. Got Stage 2 continuation attempt in FRTA here. See Stage 2A breakout earlier in the year, in the middle of the year here. We've had a number of continuations, so it's made a further continuation attempt this week. Nice little volume pop here. So, yeah, 3 days of good volume to break out to new highs. So this one's in Stage 2 continuation. Got potential Stage 2A breakout back here in GE in late October. Looks like it's attempting to make an initial Stage 2 continuation attempt. GLDD. Another one consolidating after a strong 2-year Stage 2 advance. Did pull back into Stage 3 here and it's popped above the recent high again though, so it's basing again near the highs, so potential for a Stage 2 continuation once more. HLNE, another one trading near the highs, strong relative performance. A little bit of a volatility contraction pattern above the 50-day MA, so potential for a stage 2 continuation. LLNW, sorry. Stage 2A breakout back in October. Good strong volume. That's what we like to see with a relative performance pop above here. So this is your classic stage 2A breakout level where you get a breakout, strong breakout with more than 2 times the week average volume, and the zero line pops strongly above, relative performance pops strongly above the zero line on the breakout. So it's now consolidated around its 10-week MA, and it looks like it's attempting to make an initial stage 2 continuation attempt. LSCC, highlighted this earlier in the week. If we zoom in on the daily, it's paused near the highs, so potential for a stage 2 continuation attempt. NOVT, another one trading, consolidating near the highs, a little bit of volatility contraction here, so potential 3 or 4T volatility contraction pattern, trading near the highs. Count for a pop above the recent highs here for a potential entry point. ODFL, another one making a stage 2 continuation attempt. Not quite through the highs yet, so could potentially pop and try sideways for a little bit. So watch for any false breakouts, and if any breakout does happen, again we need strong volume. OMAB, this one is obviously trading at new highs in the last month. It's pulled back. It looks like it's making a daily reversal here, so potential to move higher. OSB, you've got this one made an initial stage 2A breakout earlier in the year in October, although it's still ultimately below resistance, and obviously fell below that resistance and has pulled back to it again now, so potential for a stage 2 breakout in earnest. PAVM, single digit midget here, getting some very strong volume coming into it in the last month, so popping above the thing, so moving into stage 2. PRPL, another stock that's been in stage 2 since the middle of the year, and it's had a messy sideways consolidation since, popping above the recent highs here, some stronger volume, so making a stage 2 continuation attempt. PWFL, this one's an initial stage 2A breakout attempt here, above the recent highs, still below quite a lot of messy resistance here though, so it's not out of the woods yet. RMBS, stage 2 for a while with a number of pullbacks, consolidating near the highs here. Potential for a stage 2 continuation attempt though. ROK, stage 2 stock, broke out a few months back, it's pushed to new highs, been consolidating just above the highs, so this one after the volume pop here, there's good potential to move higher in stage 2 continuation. ROP, closed the week above recent swing high, although still below 2 other swing highs here, so if you go down to the daily, no volume pop as such, so this one might need to do more consolidation before making an attempt any further higher, but its performance is below the zero line at the moment. SANM, this is a potential stage 2A breakout attempt. You've got a lot of sideways resistance here coming along, but it's consolidating for the last 4 weeks near the top of the stage 1 range, so potential for a stage 2 breakout attempt Again, watch for volume. We need to see at least 2 times the weekly average volume on the breakout week. SEAS, Cs, again another one trading near the highs, potential for a stage 2 continuation. SFL, consolidating near the highs, a small cup and handle pattern. Yep, small cup and handle pattern here, potential for a stage 2 continuation. SONO, early stage 2 stock, tempted to make a stage 2 continuation a week back, but was pulled back under, so potential to move higher in stage 2 still. SPB, stage 1 stock here. Watch for a stage 2 consolidating sideways here. Watch for a stage 2 breakout attempt. As always, stronger volume is needed. SREV, got early stage 2 stock, potential for its initial continuation. TOL, this one's been on a sluggish stage 2 for a little while, potential for a stage 2 continuation. WLH, again potential for a stage 2 continuation attempt. XRAY, strong stage 2 advance during the early part of 2019, fairly strong pullback. It's now consolidated sideways for a while. Cup and handle type pattern, so potential for a stage 2 continuation attempt. ZNGA, strong volume move this week, around 2 times the average volume, to attempt to make a stage 2 continuation. Didn't quite got there. Pull back at the end of the week, again on volume, so this one could consolidate for a bit, but potential for a stage 2 continuation. ZYXI, a strong volume pop last week, swinging off its lows. 2 strong days, gapping back above the 50-day MA, but still below multiple resistance levels. So this one could make a stage 2 continuation attempt.